Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set daily data limit on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search data limit. Now just tap on set data limit and from here just enable set data limit. Now just tap on OK. Now just tap on data limit. Now from here you can set the limit of the amount of data to use. You can select gigabytes and also you can select megabytes. Just like that. And once you select your limit, just tap on set. And this is how you can set daily data limit on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.